I have something in my eye. I have something in my eye.
I have something in my eye, so I can't really even see.
Hi guys, it's Abby and Lauren. We're at the Prom Girl headquarters where we are every day. But today we're super excited because it is Content Friday, meaning we have back-to-back content scheduled from makeup tutorials, from Tik Toks, from dress reveals, from unboxings. We've got it all. Photo shoots. We're gonna just keep on shooting on various cameras and then we can process the content and get it to you next week. So who are we working with today? We've got me, Abby, making TikToks. We've got Lauren making or filming a makeup tutorial, and our makeup artist for the day is Caitlin, who's over there getting ready.
Hey guys.
She is going to be doing some really fun makeup today. We just ordered a bunch of new product, rainbow eyes and lips or something. It's
fun trends.
Fun trends.
Freckles.
What are you doing?
So we're setting up the camera right now to shoot an IGTV video. So for IGTV we have to shoot vertically. So that's why we're gonna set up like this. And this is where Caitlin's gonna be. We have 2 ring lights and we're gonna do our rainbow makeup tutorial first.
We just figured out how to put lyrics onto an Instagram story and it is so cool.
These ones are in Spanish, but that's why we need the lyrics.
Okay, so we're all set up to start shooting. Caitlin's back there getting ready to start. Abby's doing the lyrics and I'm here focusing and getting everything level.
I said Lauren's doing her least favorite part about filming is leveling. Let's see if she can get it straight.
Here's Blush and Bubbly getting the perfect selfie.
You gotta find that right lighting. Woo!
So we're shooting right now. Caitlin's doing her rainbow makeup. She's just starting, so she's priming, but we'll show you guys the look as it gets further along. So this is what it's looking like so far. She's on to purple. Abby's making a TikTok. We're getting all of the content. It's almost done. Okay, so Caitlin just finished the makeup look. It looks so good.
Wait till you guys see it.
Can you see me over here?
So here's the finished look. It looks amazing.
We went for bright, colorful, and a little glossy.
Make sure you guys check out our IGTV. It's gonna be up this Friday on our Instagram.
On this Pride makeup look, we think the gloss added a nice little touch to all the bright colors.
We are using one of my favorite props now. This is a confetti cannon, and we're gonna put some confetti all over Caitlin's final look.
Bam, Where am I doing it?
Like, you aim just above her. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I think I just lost an eardrum.
Here's the aftermath of the confetti
Explosion! Hey, so the final look is complete. We're bright, we're glossy, we are showing off our pride, but now we're in the office, so I want to go take a peek around and show everyone this bright, beautiful look. Here's our lovely office. We're passing the studio. Here's some offices. Off to the merch room. Hello! Hello. We are vlogging. We just did a pretty Pride makeup look and we're going around the office. Showing everyone the final results.
Your eyes are amazing.
Thank you. Erin wants to see a close-up. Ooh, you guys have good lighting over here.
Ooh, I love
it. We put some gloss on the lids. Bye guys! This is our fishbowl. This is where we have a lot of meetings. We actually discussed this very vlog and this very makeup look in this room right here. We meet with the team, we get their opinions, and then we complete the look.
Time to take off the makeup now. We have another video to do, so we're taking off the rainbow. We're gonna have a lunch break and then do a fun trends makeup.
Yay!
They're in their coffee. They couldn't have So New York is obviously busy right now. Everybody's trying to get lunch, and it's a beautiful day. So naturally, it's a little crowded out here.
If you look that way, it's Times Square. She's shy.
I got some grains and greens.
Caitlin?
I got an avocado turkey wrap, which is avocado and turkey.
We just got our head back to the office.
Yeah, we have some more videos to film, makeup, dresses, TikTok videos.
Got a lot of stuff.
We love Content Friday. Have you guys ever been to New York? Where do you like to go? Where do you like to eat? Shop? Let us know.
So we just finished lunch and now we're back shooting. Michelle joined us.
Hey guys! We're cleaning up all the confetti and now we're on to makeup trends.
Okay, I'm stealing the vlog camera. Bye guys.
Running!
I'm on my way. I'm going to give you an exclusive look into a prom girl photo shoot. That's Sandra!
Hey guys, I'm Vanessa. I'm on the merch team and I'm going to tell you about some of the new homecoming styles for 2019. The glitter and metallics are really big right now. And of course the embellished top, lots of rhinestones. The more glitter the better.
So maybe you guys are familiar with the newest YouTube star,
The prom queen!
Sandra!
Oh my god, embarrassing.
We've got our photographer, Andreas. Photo art director, Annie, is over here. All the good ideas come from her. They are in full homecoming swing. They have shot like more than 100 dresses this week.
When you're done wrapping the hair around the wand with a curling iron, pull it down while it cools and you'll get a nice relaxed wave.
And Sandra, what do you have to say to all the girls who want to be a model?
Stay focused, girl. Stay focused.
You heard it from Sandra Kubeka herself. Even though we have so much going on in PG headquarters, there's still more. Today is National Donut Day, so I figured I'll take one for the team, go and make a trip, and help the whole office celebrate. Guys, I really don't know if I'm going to the right place. Hoping to be the office hero by bringing back a dozen donuts. This one, and this one. Oh, we definitely need a pink one. Lemon poppy seed, passion fruit, coconut, Nutella, blueberry white chocolate, and was there like a cocoa nib guy? Yeah. Okay, Mission Donuts has been a success. I am headed back to the office with a dozen donuts for everyone to enjoy. I just have to get it safely, and that's easier said than done. Donuts!
I knew a girl named...
I know it looks like it's looking at your skirt, but we're just gonna have
no.
I gotta stop and I can't get it back down. Okay, so we just got our donuts from Michelle. They look so good. And Abby, what are we gonna do? We're filming a TikTok.
15 minutes to film a TikTok.
What one do you want to try?
Donuts. I don't know, they all look so good.
What one do you want to try?
Nutella.
And what one do you want to try?
Move over and give me the lemon poppy seed.
Oh.
Oh yeah, what's the pink one?
That's the exclusive prom girl donut.
So we finished the donuts, we made our TikToks, we did our makeup. Lauren is off to a meeting, so we are currently taking over her vlog camera. And we're cleaning up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when Prom Girl posts on YouTube.
Okay, so we had a crazy day. We had so much fun today. So it's Friday, so it's time for the weekend. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe down below if you enjoyed seeing kind of a little behind the scenes take on what our daily work day is. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoy, and yeah.